What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to play YouTube videos on your iOS device and still do things in the background or even close your device. Enjoy the video. First, open the Safari browser. Then, go to youtube.com. Once you're on YouTube, you want to click the AA in the upper left corner. Then, click Request Desktop Website. Once you've done this, find whatever video or music you want to play. Once you've found your song, you want to click on it, like you would when you're starting a video. Once it starts, you can go to the home screen. However, you might have noticed that the song turns off. A simple fix to this is you want to go to the control center. Go ahead and click the play button in the top right corner. Now, it might not say anything, but trust me, it will start playing once you've clicked the play button. Now you can open any app, such as the App Store, Safari, any app that you would need to use for your daily needs. However, the music will continue to play in the background as long as you don't add any other audio source. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Please share this with friends who might be interested in how to do this. Thank you. Please subscribe, like,